In the blink of an eye, a car accident can turn your world upside down. But what happens when the dust settles and your vehicle is declared a total loss? It's a scenario many drivers dread, yet few truly understand. Today, we're peeling back the layers on the total loss process, guiding you step by step on what to expect and how to navigate this complex journey. First things first, let's define total loss. It sounds final, and it is, in a way. A vehicle is considered a total loss when the cost to repair it exceeds its actual cash value at the time of the accident. But the journey from accident to resolution is where things get interesting. When an accident occurs, your insurance company will assess the damage. They'll calculate repair costs and compare them to your car's value. If fixing it costs more than the car's worth, they'll declare it a total loss. But how do they determine your car's value? That's where the term actual cash value comes into play. ACV isn't just the price you paid for your car. It factors in depreciation, wear and tear, and market trends. Insurance companies use this figure to gauge what your car was worth just before the accident. Once your car is declared a total loss, the real negotiation begins. Your insurer will offer you a settlement based on ACV. Here's where you need to pay attention. The first offer isn't always the final word. You have the right to question it and negotiate. Armed with your research on your car's value, you can challenge the insurer's offer if it feels low. Use resources like Kelley Blue Book or NADA guides to back up your claim. Remember, knowledge is power, especially in negotiations. But what if you're still financing or leasing your car? That's where gap insurance comes into play. Gap insurance covers the difference between the ACV and what you still owe on your vehicle. Without it, you might find yourself paying for a car you can no longer drive. Finally, once a settlement is agreed upon, you'll sign over the title of your car to the insurance company and they'll issue your payment. It marks the end of your total loss journey. Let's tackle a scenario many of you might face. What if the ACV offered by your insurance company doesn't seem fair? It's a common predicament, but not an unsolvable one. You have options and strategies at your disposal. First, gather evidence. This means compiling a comprehensive list of your car's features, including any upgrades or unique attributes that might increase its value. Think of it as presenting your car's resume. The more detailed, the better. Next, conduct your own research. Use trusted automotive websites to find the value of similar models in your area. Prices can vary by region, so local data is crucial. Print out these listings and have them ready to discuss with your insurer. But what if numbers and negotiations aren't your strong suit? Consider hiring an independent appraiser. They can provide an unbiased valuation of your vehicle, which you can then present to your insurance company as evidence. Yes, it's an additional cost, but it could significantly impact your settlement. Armed with your research and possibly an appraiser's report, reach out to your insurance adjuster. Be clear, concise, and confident in your communication. Present your findings and make your case for a higher ACV. If you hit a wall with the adjuster, don't hesitate to escalate. Request a review by a supervisor or consider mediation as a way to reach a fair settlement. Remember, insurance policies and state laws provide various dispute resolution mechanisms. Throughout this process, keep detailed records of all communications with your insurance company. Emails, calls, and mailed correspondence can all serve as valuable documentation if you need to prove your case. Challenging the ACV offered by your insurance isn't just about getting more money. It's about ensuring you're compensated fairly for your loss. It's a fight for what's right, and with the right approach, it's a fight you can win. Before we wrap up, there's one more key term you need to understand in the realm of total loss scenarios: the salvage title. Once a car is declared a total loss, it doesn't just disappear. In many cases, it's given what's known as a salvage title. A salvage title is issued to indicate that a vehicle has been damaged to the extent that the cost of repairing it exceeds its pre-accident value. Cars with salvage titles can be sold for parts or, in some cases, repaired to a roadworthy condition. However, they will carry the mark of their history forever. It's important to know that owning a salvage titled vehicle can affect its insurance, resale value, and even your ability to register it. If you're considering buying a car with a salvage title, proceed with caution and make sure you understand all the implications. Dealing with a total loss can be a challenging experience, but it's not insurmountable. With the right information and a proactive approach, you can navigate this process and emerge ready to move forward. Remember, you're not just a policy number. You're a person who deserves fair treatment and respect. Knowledge is your greatest ally in this journey. Stay informed, stay determined, and don't be afraid to stand up for the value of what was lost. Your car is more than just a vehicle. It's a part of your daily life, and its value should be fully recognized. We're here to empower you with information and support you through every step of your auto insurance journey. For more guides, tips, and insights, make sure to subscribe. Together, we can navigate the complexities of the insurance world.